that next target, and I'd mentioned Bitcoin cryptocurrency here in the daily revo. Each kind of represent day would offer injections short trade entry. Read off that my 23,830 price resistance coincided with the secondary downtrend line off the June reactionary highs, coinciding with 50 exponential and 50-day moving average. Call it a triple line of resistance. We hit my first target here for almost a 5% crash, and here we are honing in my second target, 2802 price support here for a 12.2% crash there. So we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. Bull traders and or dip buyers, I've added this primary uptrend line here off the June reactionary lows, multiple and continuous reactionary lows. I'll validate that now, and this is where you want to see the bulls start to defend this primary uptrend line here at all costs. Set some stops a little bit below, maybe even that 20 at 19,489 price support, and or the big level I've been talking about for quite some time, 18,966. And if 18,966 is breached, in my opinion, that puts in a secondary sell signal, in my opinion. And I truly believe a backtest retest of that primary uptrend line that I've been talking about for quite some time now, for months, will be retested. And if that's taken out, that's a secondary sell signal, in my opinion. So anything's possible. As far as dip buyers and bull traders, they want to see this near-term uptrend still stay intact, and finally take out that secondary downtrend line that needs to be breached for the bullish case scenario, especially going to break out above this primary uptrend line, off this primary downtrend line, excuse me. So we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. What's really so significant about our 2802 is it coincides with the 236 fibs retracement here on the 240-minute interval. Each kind of represents 4 hours, and each time 236 fibs has been breached, it has been met with some violent selling here. Double-digit drops, 16% drop. We've had another 11.3% drop, so you get the picture. Each time it has been breached, has been met with some pretty violent selling. So again, here we are, keying in on it right now, and you want to see some bull traders and or dip buyers start to maybe even step in here a little bit, and or again, this primary uptrend line is the big deal. We put in that huge divergent high, had that primary downtrend line here at the exact same time. Talk about coincidence on both ends of the metrics. And which really sustains a high probability short trade setup there. And again, good for a 13% crash. You had the divergent high, we broke down, put in a sell signal, we hugged and backtested this primary uptrend line. And as far as hugging goes, that's exactly what happened. Never look back. Hugging usually results in a pretty nice sizable crash. So that's exactly what happened. We'll see what happens. We'll zoom in here in the 6-minute interval. Each kind of represents an hour here. We had this primary uptrend line here off the 13 reactionary lows. And we broke down, put in a sell signal, backtested that key 22,813 price support over and over again, coinciding with the primary downtrend line, and we've never looked back. So see what happens. This is the bigger picture here. Nothing but zigzags and consolidation, and a false breakout above that 23,813 price support. So keep you updated if I see any more significance in the charts.